Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Today's topic is what is the first reset signal in the motherboard? The main reset signal in the motherboard. It's a general topic. Okay, we'll discuss in generally. Which one? Without this reset, your motherboard won't turn on. It's 100% sure because it won't communicate with the PCH. Before communicating with the PCH, one particular signal has to be reset. That should be always in disable mode. So, which signal it is? If it is enable, definitely your board will be in dead condition. What is that? That is RSM RST hash. Okay, it means resume reset. Resume reset. Okay, the meaning is resume reset. Resume in the sense continuously it will reset. Reset in the sense it will restart. It will again and again it will restart. Hash means enable or disable. Many times I told hash means two conditions. One is if it is low condition, then it is enable. If it is high, then it's a disable. So the next question is, in which condition this signal should be there in the motherboard? Enable or disable? Enable or disable? Which one? It should be disable mode. Many people will ask, they were asking me, if the voltage is there, voltage is available in this particular signal pin, then how it will be in disable mode? That's actually wrong, because here is the hash. Hash is nothing but voltage should be there. If voltage is there, it should be in disable mode. If voltage is not there, it will be in enable mode. Means if it is a low, then it will be in enable mode. If there is some voltage to disable it, the voltage why we are giving to disable this particular signal. If it is enable, definitely your board won't turn on. 100% sure. Okay. Anyway, now we got the point. This particular signal, resume reset signal, should be in disable mode. Means the voltage 3.3 volts should be there. Means 3 and above, and 3.3 to below. Okay. How it will generate? See, before generating this particular signal, means it's a disabling this particular signal, some basic steps should be checked. Okay, what are those? I will tell one by one. The first, through the DC machine, DC jack, which voltage you will give? That's of course it's 19 volts. Generally I'm taking it's 19 volts, maybe 12 or whatever it may be. The first voltage is 19, the main voltage. That should be pakka in CLR. Okay. Second thing, what? So after generating the charging IC signals, next it goes to where? Step down IC 35. Here this LDO should be pakka. If there is a LDO, then only the IO will active. Next, IO inputs. IO inputs should be pakka. Pakka means 100% it should be there. IO, the input coming from this 3 5 LDO. Means that particular IC I am telling exactly 3 volts LDO, it's available in IO. Okay. Next, IO inputs, IO should be active. Before that, one more thing is there. What is that? After 19 or before 19, one more signal, that is called RTC RST. That also should be disable mode. Disable mode or 3.3 volts should be there. This is very, very important. Please note down. DC jack voltage till CLR should be pakka. RTC RST, that should be in disable mode. This is for PCH. Okay. Now it's a PCH is active. Third thing is, once 19 volts generates, then 3 volts, 5 volts LDO will generate. Right. That LDO, which supply? It goes to the supply to the IO. Then IO will be active. See, these all are should be there. Then only your next step will work. See, if IO is active, then one more important thing should be there. IO is a smart IC, right? Smart in the sense it accepts the commands and then it works the, it does the orders, does the work. So what are the command? Command in the sense nothing but bias, that is EC bias, right? If IO is active, to work that particular IO or IO pins, the bias should be there, the command should be there. Once these all are active, then finally this RSM RST will be low. Means it will be high, it will be disable mode. Any one of these having trouble, or see, for example, RTC RST is not available, then it will be in high position, it will be in low position. Low in the sense it will be active. So it will be enabled. Please note down, it's very, very important signal in the motherboard chip level service. Okay. In some motherboard, before pressing power button, it will be active. Before pressing power button, in some of the motherboard I am telling, not all, some of the motherboard, where 3 volts, 5 volts always you are getting in those motherboards. Nowadays motherboards, IO will be inactive mode. Once you press the power button, then only it will be in active mode. It means 3 volts LDO also inactive mode, means in some section it will be there, but once IO is active, then only these all will work and RSM RST also will be generated. It means it will be in high. Okay, now you got my point. The first reset signal is RSM RST, that is resume reset. That should be in disable mode. In some motherboard it will be in before pressing button it's available. It's available in the sense it will be in disable mode. In latest motherboards, if you press the power button, then only it will be in disable mode. Now you got my point, right? It's very, very important signal. Once this reset signal is disabled, then only the PCH will give some signals. Those are what? SLP, S5, hash, 4 hash and 3 hash. These signals depends on RSM RST disable or enable. If this particular RSM RST is enable, 100% these signals you won't get. That's it. It's very simple topic, but it's very effective one. It's very important one. Thank you. Thank you very much.